Hey guys, so I got a video request to do a 1080p HD remake video of this fan right here. As I'm sure you guys know, it is the 52-inch white Harbor Breeze Palm Breeze ceiling fan that is installed in my mom's bedroom at my house here. It's a very good fan. It's been in here since this May. It'll be 16 years since it's been in this room. It's done a great job in here ever since it was installed. It's such a good fan. Definitely probably the best fan in our house. It's just a great air mover, and it's just a great fan. So I'm gonna pick up the phone now and I'll give you guys a closer look at it. Alright, so here's this angle of it. This is probably the best angle of it because you can see the logo on it and all the other, cool features of it. If you guys hear the music and stuff in the background, that's because my dad's watching the Dave Ramsey show. So anyway, it's a pretty cool fan. It's got like these blade brackets, and they resemble like these fern leaves, I guess. Yeah, they kind of resemble these fern leaves, like the Concord fern leaf. So I think that's pretty cool. And the motor housing, the things right there, I don't know what you call those, but those kind of resemble a Casablanca lanai. And I think that's pretty cool as well. The shades are very nice. Really like the shades. I don't exactly know what they have on them, but whatever they have on them, it's pretty cool. Well, it's got these decorative pull chains on it. Of course, they're not the original pull chains to the fan, but my mom just put them on there for decorations, I guess, because she found them and wanted to put them on. Fan is a little bit dirty. I'll have to clean it soon. And here, I'll give you kind of a close-up of the logo on it. Hold on a second. It says Harbor Breeze Fan Company on it. If you couldn't read that, which you probably couldn't. So yeah, I guess that's enough looking at the fan. Let's get to the demonstration of it. All right, so I'm going to start the demonstration now. Here goes the light. All of the light bulbs are CFLs, so, they bring a pretty good amount of light to the room, even though CFLs usually aren't all that bright. But, Mom doesn't need that much brightness in her room because she's got plenty of other lamps and other lights laying around in her room, so. So here it is on low speed. And by the way, I'm actually on spring break now, so I'm going to be going back to school on the 1st of April. So if you guys have any video requests for me or any, videos that you want me to do for you, put your request down in the comment box below, and I'll get to it as soon as I can. But you got to do it before April 1st arrives, or I'm not going to be able to do it because I'm going to be busy with school again. But from now till April 1st, you can request what you want me to do for you. It's got a pretty nice low speed to it. I actually feel a little bit of air back here. Okay, I think it's up to speed about now. Here comes medium. Got a nice medium speed to it. I can feel a little bit more air back here. Okay, that's about medium speed. Here goes high. This thing really whips out the air, I'm telling you. It wobbles just a tiny, tiny bit. I mean, it is barely noticeable, but I can still notice it. And this thing is powerful. I mean, powerful. I'll just show you the things around the room that it's moving around. Moving those curtains right there. It's moving the papers that are on my mom's bed. Moving those curtains over there. And it's moving the thing on this angel right here. It's even moving these things. And these things are heavy, and even this is getting moved by the powerful wind and air from this. Such a great fan. I wish they still sold these. Okay, let me put the phone back down. I'll show you it on high with the light. Alright, that's it. That is the 2019 1080p HD remake video of the 52-inch white Harbor Breeze Palm Breeze ceiling fan that is installed in my mom's bedroom. And like I said, if you guys have any other video requests of any ceiling fan demonstrations or any house tours, put your requests down in the comment box below. But you have to put it down there before April 1st because that's when I'm going to be going back to school. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.